when we build these spreadsheets, there's one thing that we always need to be certain of, and that is that the balance sheets are balanced. We also need to make sure that everything is linked, but even more importantly, maybe more importantly, is that the balance sheet is balanced. That means assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. Well, okay, so we can look at this and see that it is balanced. However, when this sheet gets really complicated, sometimes you don't see that. And you need something that's going to really highlight the when they are out of balance. So I'm going to show you now how to set up conditional formatting, which will alert us if there is a problem with our balance sheet. Right? So what we need to do is put a formula in that's going to tell us when this is out of balance. And that formula will be this minus this. Now, this number, total assets, minus total liabilities and owner's equity, should be 0. All right, so let's set that formula up. So equals this minus this and equals 0. Now you can see that obviously if this is out of balance, that you will get this. Well, this has already been conditionally formatted, but I want to show you how to do that. Okay, so you can see that then when this is out of balance, it shows up as in red, it's 1,000. I'm going to show you how to set up that conditional formatting. Let's just put that 1,000 back. Okay, now the way we set this up is we go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, scroll down to more rules, and we get this dialog box, and we set the conditions up. So we want to format only cells with cell value. So the cell value is this, and when the cell value does not equal to, so it's not equal to 0. When it's out of balance, it does not equal 0. It should equal 0 ideally. So when it does not equal 0, we want to get this some format. So we need to select the format, and the format that we will go to is a fill, and see there's different ones here: font, border, fill. We select fill. Click on red and get a nice bright red color. Say OK. Say OK. And now we have our format. And then we drag this format across. And now this cell is formatted. This whole row is formatted. And if something is out of balance, you can see that you get this red. So let's go back. We should do the same thing with our cash flow statement. When our cash flow statement is out of balance, we want that also to alert us. This should equal this. So again, we set up a formula, and the formula is equal this minus that, and that's 0. 0 now. If I don't think this has been formatted before, so you can see this from the very beginning. I take this out, you can see it's different, 45,000, but it doesn't have the same impact as being in red. So let's put that back, and let's conditionally format this now. You remember, we went to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, more rules, and then we set the conditions up. When the cell value is not equal to 0, we want this format to be used. It's in fill. Click on red, nice bright red color. Say OK. And then we click OK again. And now this should be conditionally formatted. If we delete this, now we're out and we get that red color. Put that back. We also want to drag this across so that all of this is conditionally formatted. All right, so now what we have is this alert system in, so that if our balance sheet is out of balance, we know. If our cash flow statements are out of balance, we know. Okay, thank you.